Hello, what's up beautiful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Orike from Kenya, Africa, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I think the sun is directing to my eyes, but don't mind that. And thank you so much for the returning subscribers. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate, and for the new subscribers into the channel, you're much welcome. Thank you so much. And yeah, today is day 3 of building our dream home, and Team Ori that is. And yeah, so it's a brick day. We decided to go with bricks because the blocks are quite a bit expensive. And yeah, so I just want to take you around and show you around, and just see the progress of today. And yeah, we just see how the house is taking shape, coming up, you know. Yeah, from the groundbreaking foundation, and then today we are setting the bricks. So I just want to take you around and enjoy. Leave a sweet comment, subscribe if you haven't, like, and yeah, just keep supporting me. Yeah, with a bag of cement, with maybe, yeah, that's what we need right now, just bags of cement, because that's what is, I see, like the ratio of which they are using, the bags of cement are still required, you know. Yeah, are still needed, that is. So I just want to take you around. These are the bricks. They were actually, we are going with 7,000 pieces because yeah, it's quite a huge house. So we are going with 7,000 pieces, but today they did 1,500. So as you can see, they have already used half of it, you know. Yeah, it's because of transportation. So that there are 7,000 pieces somewhere that are being dropped here in installments, because you know, at the same place we don't have security, someone to guard it. So we don't want to bring more materials around and then, you know, no one is there to check and to see. Yeah, that's it. So they have used half of 1,500 bricks for today, and maybe when the day ends, because it's around noon here, East African time, so maybe when the day ends, these bricks are gonna be done. So we need to again transport the other ones for tomorrow. So let's go to the site and see what's going on. And actually, before there, our ballast is done, but we don't need it anymore. Maybe later, later, just maybe 1 or 2 canters later, when the house is at the lintel place, you know. Yeah, that how do they say it? Koroga. We say it koroga here, I don't know. Yeah, that's what we need. Maybe 1 or 2 canters when we reach there. But for now, we are done with ballast, you know. Yeah, this is what they had core that remained. Yeah, we're just gonna use them sometime, you know. Yeah, so, and this is actually the stream that we are using. You see, this water is really helpful, you know. Yeah, it's really helpful, and as you can see, it's clean. And you can imagine, this is the sand we are getting from this place. Very good sand. I told you guys, at my place, I'm not actually buying sand. Yeah, I have sand. I'm just digging around my land, sand. And yeah, we're just getting other things, other construction materials. But when it comes to sand, like, my land is full of sand, so no buying sand. That one is an X. So you can just support me with a bag of cement, and I'll really, really appreciate. So this is the water we are using on our construction site. Not actually this, since we have a well, we dug a well, you saw that. That's the water we are using, but this still is still helpful. So yeah, when we need it, we just block there, and then it comes, then we use it. So let's keep going. It's actually lunchtime. I was preparing something for my masons, and then I had to come in and show you what's going on. So enjoy the video, guys.
All alone, my friends are gone. In the night, holding on, because you were mine. Damn, I miss you now. So hard to find someone that cares just like you don't. Someone that cares just like you don't. It cares just like you don't. It cares just like you don't. Yeah, I know that it's hard to find someone that cares as much as you do, like you do. Yeah, I know that it's hard to find someone that cares as much as you do. It cares just like you do. It cares just like you do. All alone, my friends are gone. In the night, holding on. Because you were mine, damn, I miss you now. So hard to find someone that cares just like you don't. It cares just like you don't. It cares just like you do. Too shy to call you now. Everything I feel too messed up to believe in. Because you were mine, damn, I miss you now. So hard to find someone that cares just like you don't. It cares just like you don't. It cares just like you do. Yeah, I know that it's hard to find someone that cares as much as you do, like you do. Yeah, I know that it's hard to find someone that cares as much as you do. It cares just like you do. It cares just like you do.
Jamaa amekuogopa bana. Jamaa amesema jamaa ameniongelesha design nyingine nikakasirika kabisa. Nasema sasa acha niharibu kila kitu. Sasa maharibu. Sasa badala ya kwenda kuharibu tena napigia mwenye anapigia sasa tena naye akamwambia wewe shughulikia mtoto wenye anataka.
She left her home to find where she belongs. Her mother's scared to leave her all alone. got time, and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. So they say, yeah, she does not know everything she got from her. You got time, and you know what to figure out. This ain't a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday.
Baraka.
Nataka nifanye kila siku tu. Ngoja kwa mzuri kila kwa. Akili yako
Hizo ni baraka man.
nataka kwanza TikTok.
Ametoka kwani? Ni itira kwa lafuna kadi karatasi. Magunia. Haijatosha.
Mchanga mko nayo.
Haya ni kunyasi.
Lazima tafaa bundu mchanga kutonga. Mchanga kulikota. Kwe. Tundo, sasa gunia hiyo nyumba. Ana siku kuna hata bigre na beba hiyo. Tayari tena matawa no be. Safari naka nikuwa lasikia nyuma na bapia chale marasa. Watachishiro kula bona reka chini. Siweke hata simejamua kupanga hadi juu, kupanga hadi juu. Wewe kunyaga bangi chini. Acha.
Kama ningekuwa natumia bangi, ningekuwa nimesema hata natapika.